Hi guys, I'm waiting for a package from Bono Hair. It should be arriving any minute now. Oh, here it is. Let's open it together. Interesting. There's an envelope inside, a Christmas card, and a small holiday offer. Nice touch. And here's a branded bag. Wow, a perfectly finished hair system. And that makes me wonder, how does a hair system like this actually make its way into my hands? Let's rewind the story. It all starts with the base, carefully prepared skin and mesh materials, shaped to precise specifications. Then comes hair processing, curling, sorting, and matching hair lengths to ensure consistency and natural movement. Next is hand ventilation, followed by glue application, drying, and shaping. Each step handled by experienced technicians who monitor quality throughout the process. After styling, every piece goes through strict inspection before moving to the warehouse. Then comes packaging, neatly prepared, carefully checked, and finished with a handwritten holiday card. Finally, it's shipped out and delivered. From raw materials to a Christmas gift at your door, every step is done with care, precision, and craftsmanship. That's how a Bono hair system is made, and how quality reaches you. Happy holidays from all of us at Bono Hair.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, world.